Are you being silly now? You were silly. Okay, start where were you? A, B, C.
There.
Yeah, those are alphabets on your Elmo plate. A, B, C, D.
C, E,
Remember?
where?
L. Now you don't have to whisper because Mommy's whispering. L-M-N-O-P. What's after that? You know. Yeah, okay, what's the rest? Q-R-S. You are being silly. You were just singing this a minute ago.
Uh-oh.